Are you preparing for the GRE, GMAT, IELTS, SAT, or TOEFL? Then you already know that grammar mistakes can cost you points and opportunities. But what if I told you that mastering grammar doesn't have to be overwhelming? Most test takers struggle with the same issues: confusing verb tenses, misplacing modifiers, getting prepositions wrong, and losing points on sentence correction questions. You study hard, but the same errors keep appearing. Sound familiar? Introducing the most comprehensive grammar question bank designed specifically for serious test takers like you. Over 1,000 expertly crafted questions covering every grammar topic tested on major standardized exams, all in one place. But here's what makes this different. Every single question comes with detailed explanations, not just for the correct answer, but for every answer option. You'll understand exactly why an answer is right or wrong. This isn't just practice, it's learning that sticks. We've organized questions from easy to hard, mirroring real test progression. You'll build confidence with foundational concepts, then tackle the advanced questions that separate good scores from great ones. You'll master subject-verb agreement that trips up even native speakers, complex verb tenses for perfect accuracy, pronoun usage that's crystal clear, modifiers that never dangle, linkers, linking words or connectors, preposition combinations that sound natural, adjective clause and noun clause, gerunds, infinitives, passives, causatives, sentence structures that impress examiners, and every other grammar topic tested on your exam. Let me show you what you're getting. Here's a challenging question. Had I known about the traffic, I dash earlier. Most students get this wrong, but with our detailed explanations covering inverted conditionals and past hypotheticals, you'll nail these every time. These questions are crafted using the same patterns and difficulty levels found in actual GRE, GMAT, IELTS, SAT, and TOEFL exams. Each question has been carefully designed to target the specific grammar challenges that appear most frequently on test day. Imagine walking into your exam with complete confidence in your grammar skills. No more second guessing, no more losing points to careless errors. Just the clarity and competence that comes from thorough, systematic practice. That's what 1,000 plus questions with comprehensive explanations gives you. Test day is coming. Every day you wait is a day you could be improving. And right now, you have the chance to access this complete question bank at an unbeatable price. Don't let grammar be the reason you don't reach your target score. Click the link in description and enroll now. Get instant access to all 1,000 plus questions, complete with explanations that actually teach you. Your future self will thank you for making this investment today. Stop guessing. Start mastering. Enroll now and transform your grammar from your weakness into your strength. See you inside the course.